Hi guys, before watching this video, I am advising you that I have seen a users gonna watching a video and just watch for 1 minute or 2 minutes and then close the video. In this way, you never gonna understand the concept of the functions what you are going to watch. So I am advising if you really want to be expert of the function for which you are going to watch videos, then not only you watch once, you will go with the repeated times so that you can understand the core concepts of what these functions are. Now in this video, I am going to cover choose functions. See, I always prepare a video or create a video with the hidden functions what we have because people are rarely uses in their formula. So try to understand the core concept. In this video I gonna cover choose function. What choose functions will do. Choose meaning choose meaning your choice. You have to opt your choice. This is what a syntax of choose function is. Once you write choose, you will have the first argument as index num. What index num is? Index means the positions. Num means the position number. Position number can be 1, 2, 3 and whatever the number of arguments available as per list. Now we have value 1, value 2, value 3 and so on. You can make multiple value. So if you write here the index num 2, meaning you are going to choose the second options from your values. Meaning if you write here 2, then you going to choose your value 2 options. If you write 3, then you are going to opt value 3 options. If you write 1, then you going to have value 1 options. Meaning you can see I have A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 terms we have. And when you going to choose 1 and then A, B, C like this, then if you written 1, that means you are going to pick A. If you retain index num as second, 2, that means you are going to opt B. If you are going to write index num as a 3, meaning you are picking the value of C. The same way I have arranged A2 to A3, B1 to B5 as C9 to C15. This is your 1, this is your 2 and this is your 3. So index number, what will be you choose from this list? This is your value 1, B1 to B5 this is your value 2, C9 to C15 is value 3. Meaning if you choose index num as 1 from this list, then you are going to choose A1 to A3. In the same manner, these are the numbers we have separated with the comma, and once you write choose function and index number is 5, that means in this you are choosing the fifth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90s. This is the way index number will work uh, with the choose functions. So here I have a list of colors. Now I'm gonna write choose and I have given the index num as 1 and then my value is this comma this comma this comma this comma this. because I am opting 1 and my 1 is B12. B12 is red. So I am picking the value of red. If I am going to use here 2, then I am picking the value of B13 because B13 is the second position and second position is my blue because B13 is my blue. This is the way choose function will gonna work. Now I have some common examples. You have I have given first table, second table, and the third table. Once you gonna watching full video, you will have the core concept because I'm gonna using a different scenario based example. Now I have 3 tables here, and now I want to use sum from this range. And now using comma, meaning you start sum from this and the other which cells I gonna select. So I'm going to use here choose. I'm gonna select second one. From the list, my first list is this, second list is this, and third list is this. Meaning sum 325 and from this list, I gonna choose second, meaning F27 and 28. Then what will be the sum? Now is 227. Is 227. Meaning what I have taken? I have taken C25 this one. And what I have taken? Second, F27 and F28. And my F is here. 27 and 28. Plus this one. What will be my sum? You can see here 227 and what 227 is here. If you gonna use a range like semicolon, then you will have select whatever the range will come here. Now, then you will have 560, meaning you have to select C25 to F27 and F28. And my F27, F28 is here. And now you gonna select this one. Now you have selected all these names. And you gonna see here 560 is the result. And what is my result is the same. So in this way you gonna use this one. Now I have a long list. Here I'm going to select using sum. I'm gonna choose option. I'm gonna choose the third one. From the list, my first list is this, second list is this, and third list is this. And in this, I'm gonna select third one, meaning O36 to O38. I'm gonna have a sum. Now, then enter 325. You can see I'm using the sum, meaning I want to find a sum, but the third option is O36 to O38, and my O36 is here. O30 till 1 O38 is this, and my total sum is 325. This is what my answer is. So once you have the clear concepts with the function what you want to watch a video having a clear concept of this, and once you have a clear concept, then you gonna use as per your way. You can design your way to use these formulas. Now I have a list here and I have a price, but my condition is this: if my value falls under this bucket, this category should be against here. So what will we gonna write here? Same, choose. Again, I want this is greater than first 0, then plus, then I want this is greater than or equal 51 plus, again select the same cell and then select 101, then plus, and again select the same cell and then 151. And then what will we gonna use? We gonna use first for this one. Fix this one. Second for this one. Fix. Third for this one. Fix. And fourth for this one. Fix. Now hit enter. Now see what you have in your formula so that all your categories comes against the number given. You see first cell meaning this cell if greater than 0, 0 to 50, it's be poor. Once it's hit 51, then 50 between 51 and 100 satisfactory. And the same for 101 and 150 for the good, and 151 to 200 will be excellent. And what I have in used in formula, this cell if it is greater than 0, then it will be this one and this one is poor. In the same way, if this cell is greater than or equal 51, then this one and this one is your satisfactory because 51 to 100 is satisfactory. In the same way, if this cell is 101 equal or greater, then it would be this one and this one is good, and the same for the last is excellent. And whatever the numbers of your price given under the bucket, the accordingly your category will be picked up. You can see 14 is under 0 to 50. That's why poor. And this one 90 is between 51 to 100. Now satisfactory. This one also satisfactory. 21 is lesser than 50, then is poor, and now 179 is greater than 151 to 100. That is what excellent comes in. So here need to understand the concepts of choose functions or any functions you gonna watch video having view that I will understand the concept, then I will close the videos. Otherwise, no benefit of watching videos. This is my recommendation. After all, it is up to you. What do you want yourself? If you want to skill up, then you need to earn the concept. Once you have the concept with yourself, then you will design your way to use those formulas. Now, I have a list and here I have a conditions. What I want here that once this price falls under this bucket, then I want this amount will be taxable as per the percentage conditions given here. Meaning once we have 0 to 50, meaning this one and this one and this one, this amount should multiplied by the 1%. If I have 69, this comes under this one, then this amount should multiply by 2% and same for the rest one. So what will be the taxable amount would be? So going to choose the same way what we have used here. Choose this cell is greater than 0 plus this cell is greater than or equal 51 plus this cell is greater than equal 101 plus this cell is greater than equal 151. Now I have inserted all the conditions because I have 4 conditions. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. Now I have, if this one, then this multiply with this percentage. This one is gonna greater than 51, then this will multiply by this one. Then multiply, if falls under 101, then gonna multiply with this one. And for the last, this multiply by this one. Now hit enter. You will see the amounts, taxable amounts comes in. Now you can see 150. Where it falls under this one. And this taxable amount is 3%. And 150 multiplied 3 is your 4.5. This is what a way of using a choose function. You can also design your way, but once you have clear concepts of the choose function. Thanks for watching.